Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Buffer for scheduling sales-driven content, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Buffer website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see your social media accounts. Connect the social media accounts you want to use for scheduling content by clicking on the Manage Social Accounts section. Select the platforms where you plan to share sales-driven content. After connecting your accounts, navigate to the Content tab located in the top menu. Here you can either write a new post or schedule pre-existing content. To create a new post, click the Create Post button. Choose the social media account you want to post to from the list. In the text box, write a compelling message to promote your sale. Include any relevant hashtags to increase engagement and visibility. You can also add images or links to your post by using the provided options. Once your content is ready, select the date and time for it to be published. Use Buffer's scheduling tool to find the optimal time for your audience. After choosing the time, review your post for any typos or errors. When everything looks good, click the Schedule Post button. Buffer will now store your post and publish it at the designated time. To see all your scheduled posts, return to the Content tab. From this section, you can edit or reschedule any posts if necessary. To analyze how your sales-driven content is performing, go to the Analytics tab. This will provide insights into engagement rates, clicks, and other important metrics. Use this data to refine your future content strategy for better results. Finally, remember to check in regularly and adjust your scheduled posts based on what your audience responds to best. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.